Imagine a world where artificial intelligence surpasses human capabilities. Does the thought thrill you or terrify you? Welcome to a reality where this is no longer just a figment of sci-fi imagination, but a rapidly evolving field of technology. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is already making waves in diverse sectors, enhancing our lives in ways we could have only dreamed of a few decades ago. From diagnosing diseases with a level of precision that leaves even the most seasoned doctors in awe, to executing financial transactions at lightning speed, AI is proving its mettle. It's reshaping how we commute too, with self-driving cars edging closer to becoming mainstream. But as we marvel at these feats of machine learning and complex algorithms, a question lingers. If AI can match us and even outdo us in tasks that demand accuracy, speed, and repetition, what does the future hold? With AI's impressive capabilities, one might wonder, will it eventually replace humans? Despite the leaps and bounds in AI technology, there are still areas where humans unequivocally outshine. Let's take a closer look at these unique human abilities that AI, at least for now, can't quite mimic. First, consider creativity. It's the spark that fuels innovation. It's the ability to think outside the box, to dream up new ideas, and to find connections where none seemingly exist. While AI can generate impressive results within set parameters, it lacks the ability to truly think beyond its programming. Next, we have empathy. This is our ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's the cornerstone of human interaction. AI may be able to mimic responses based on certain input, but it doesn't truly comprehend the depth of human emotions. Then there's decision-making under uncertainty. Life is unpredictable, but humans have the ability to make complex decisions in the face of uncertainty. AI, on the other hand, is bound by the data it has been fed and the algorithms that guide its decision-making process. Finally, let's talk about navigating complex social interactions. Humans have the ability to read between the lines, to pick up on nuances and unspoken cues. AI, while improving, still struggles with these subtleties. In these aspects, humans still hold the trump card. But can this change in the future? As scene script, AI and humans, two powerhouses with unique strengths. But how do they stack up against each other? In this corner, we have artificial intelligence, a titan of data analysis and pattern recognition. With its ability to process vast amounts of information at lightning speed, AI excels in fields such as predictive analytics, automation, and complex problem solving. It's like a superpowered librarian, able to find the exact book you need in a library the size of a city, in the blink of an eye. And in the other corner, we have humans, the champions of creativity, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking. Our strength lies in our ability to understand and navigate the complexities of human emotion and social interaction. We can think outside the box, create novel solutions, and understand nuances that AI might miss. Simply put, we bring the heart to the table, a quality that AI has yet to replicate. But what about the areas where they both show potential for collaboration? Imagine a world where AI and humans work hand in hand. AI could handle the heavy data lifting, providing humans with the insights needed to make informed decisions. Meanwhile, humans could guide AI, teaching it to better understand and navigate our complex world. As for the future, there's a strong possibility that AI advancements will lead to improvements in areas currently dominated by humans. But rather than replacing us, AI could instead augment our abilities, helping us to achieve more than we ever thought possible. The face-off between AI and humans isn't necessarily a zero-sum game. Perhaps the future lies in collaboration, not competition. So, will AI replace humans? The answer isn't black and white. It's a spectrum of possibilities. On one hand, we've seen the incredible potential of AI, its ability to perform tasks with a level of speed and accuracy that surpasses human capability. From data analysis to manufacturing, AI has proven itself as a formidable force. But let's not forget the unique human abilities that remain irreplaceable. Our capacity for creativity, empathy, critical thinking. These are qualities that AI, as advanced as it may be, can't replicate. We're not just operators, we're innovators, inventors, artists. And that's where the real potential lies. Not in a world where AI replaces humans, but one where AI and humans collaborate. Where AI takes on the heavy lifting, freeing up humans to do what we do best: think, create, empathize. Perhaps the question isn't if AI will replace humans, but rather, how can AI and humans work together to build a better future?